Alutex, 10 years of successful work. Tashkent, the capital of friendship and warmth, the capital of independent Uzbekistan. How much our city has changed for last decades. New green parks and agreeable leisure areas have been laid out. Wide highways have been built. Modern, more beautiful buildings, changing look of old town have been constructed. All this give it a new dynamical impulse and modern look.
Сияй, Ташкент, звезда Востока, столица дружбы и тепла.
Our enterprise has contributed to all this beauty. For already 10 years, Alutex joint venture has been carrying out and manufacturing an enormous range of aluminum and plastic profiles. The outputs of our work can be easily seen in Uzbekistan. Delivery of building designs for setting of the important public projects has been entrusted to us. Our products would not permit the cool to disappear in summer heat and keep warmth in the cold winter in the houses of citizens of Uzbekistan. All this is provided by long-standing labor, improvement of production technologies, development and creation philosophy. Alutex, 10 years of successful work. Joint venture Alutex first enterprise in our republic, which is specialized on production of aluminum profile and architectural hardware. Complete cycle of aluminum processing is used at the enterprise. Molding of aluminum alloys of fresh raw materials, profile press forming, application of protective and decorative coating onto the surface, mechanical processing of semi-manufactured goods of molded profile and manufacturing of fittings. More simply, in some time we will be got ready to use high-quality production deriving from the raw products like ingots. Production consists of several stages. Everything is starting with remolding of aluminum ingots, which is due to making 4-meter posts. Subsequently, posts are supplied to 3 lines of extrusion, where they are transformed to aluminum profiles. Company Alutex has a workshop for manufacturing of ingots, as well as 2 melting furnaces for manufacturing of aluminum alloys. This is the hottest workshop. The temperature of the furnace reaches 750 degrees. Furnaces are supplied by a hydraulic transmission for discharge of alloy. Capacity of each furnace is 11 tons per assure. Upon molding, ingots are directed to the homogenizing furnace. The furnace of Alutex company is very productive. Heating with adjustable speed and exact keeping of temperatures excludes metal burning. Here our raw products for profiles get into good training, obtaining optimum complex of properties for future profiles. It reduces number of defects, production cycle and increases productivity. But the most important is that this confers high quality to the output. Extrusions. In the extrusion shop, high-capacity lines for production of profiles with 4 process for high-speed pressing are installed. Extrusion's capacities generate enormous force up to 1,800 and 1,460 tons. By powerful press tonnage, metal is squeezed out into due molds. To get flexibility, aluminum is passed through the furnace of gradient heating of ingots. The whole process is computer managed and automated. Protective and decorative coating. Aluminum is a quickly acidifying metal. Immediately upon squeezing out and appearing of profile, it needs to be protected of corrosion. This is the main objective of this shop. The profile which was exposed to even a weak corrosion may not be suitable for further processing. Color set of corrosion-resistant coating is very rich, over 30 shades. The surface may be both glossy and dim. Paint line. The production shops of Alutex joint venture are equipped with 2 painting lines. We have opportunity to take and provide the customers orders in any volume and color range. The way of electrostatic coloring guarantees long-standing durability of articles without changing their appearance. It gives additional firmness of coating in different terms of maintenance and operation. Before painting, the profile is exposed to degreasing and achromatizing. This would permit to achieve plain and reliable laying of paint and to get it placed on the whole surface of the profile. Such preparations will secure getting 90% quality of painting. Further, the profile is suspended on the conveyor and is moved with constant speed to the chamber. There where powdered paint is dissipated from the furnace, it adheres evenly the profile surface, covering it completely. Later, a profile with a spotted paint is moved into the furnace for thermal treatment, where powdered paint covering the surface is saved, forming a layer of coverage. The only thing to do is to cool a profile and pack it. That is all. The profile is ready for sale. Anodic coating. Actually, in Uzbekistan, it is only Alutex company that possess a line of anodic oxidizing. What's this? Anodic coating is a kind of protective and decorative coverage. On the profile surface, a tight film of aluminum hydrate is formed, which is not dissolved in acids. Simply speaking, anodic coating is a modern and effective technology, forming uniform and homogeneous protective film on a profile surface. Anodic coating excludes oxidizing, giving an opportunity to get various colors for profiles. Color shades depend on durability of processing. If processing takes 45 seconds, the color of light champagne would be achieved. If processing takes 15 seconds, a black color would be obtained. Decoration. Is it possible to make stone or wooden windows and doors? Now we can state fairly yes, it is possible. Our equipment allows laying to preliminary formed powdery coverage, a finish of a wood or a natural rock. Moreover, a picture is intruding the layer of polymer coverage to the depth of 30–40 microns and it is unfeasible to remove it. Paints deeply get into a powder covering. It provides stability of obtained picture to mechanical impact and detergent compositions. Products with the decorated surface can be maintained in any climatic conditions. They will serve for a long time and will please looks of people with the natural texture. Manufacturing of fittings. Aluminum structures may not be used without any appropriate fittings. Our plant has own production of fasteners, hinges, handles, screws and other accessories for assemblage of aluminum structures. This is the smallest but the most important production workshop. Tool manufacture. Another benefit and subject of our pride is our tool workshop. Metric sets of instrument, steel of the leading European manufacturers are manufactured here. The workshop is equipped by universal molders, high accuracy, electro-erosive equipment of the leading Western firms and modern work center. Alutex company is an exclusive plant of this branch in Uzbekistan, having similar equipment. Thanks to it, our production is independent in obtaining all kinds of possible molds. This provides great benefits for manufacturer development. Manufacture of profiles from plastic. Alutex joint venture always tries to consider the consumer's wishes and quickly react to market prices. In July 2010, we launched a new line for manufacturing of plastic profiles. Within the shortest period of time, the up-to-date European equipment has been installed and adjusted. The Alutex company is our most important partner in Uzbekistan. Our company have launched many lines in production of plastic profiles. I hope that our partnership with Alutex joint venture will have a great potential for the further development in future. Unlike aluminum, the process of manufacturing of plastic profiles is less labor and power consuming. At the beginning, a composite mixture is manufactured of raw products and special additives. Further mixture is delivered to the extrusion equipment, or, simply speaking, for squeezing of profiles of the required form. For this purpose, the mixture is strongly warmed up in the special compact furnace. Subsequently, plastic profiles are cooled using water and while still staying flexible, they are stretched on a special machine. The operation of this machine reminds the movement of track shoes. Later, a profile is cut off and is delivered for lamination. Production of plastic profiles permitted to expand our range of products and to raise the competitive power of our enterprise. Professional development hours and improvement of skill are organized in the company on permanent basis. Study of safety technologies takes a special place. Made investments, permanent search and introduction of administrative decisions aim to optimizing of the work of enterprise, permit to support high technological and business levels of production. Alutex joint venture carries out further technical development, enhances volumes and change of products, improves and perfects production quality. Profile number 1 in Uzbekistan. This is an assessment of our products by the Uzbek consumers, confirmed by annually organized competitions Choice of the Year. But our main wealth is people. We have large and consolidated team. We understand it clearly that it is possible to achieve holding success only in a friendly team. We are aimed to further development for prosperity of our country, for maintaining comfort and warmth in the houses of Uzbek citizens. Alutex, 10 years of successful work.